Hey everyone, Josh here from Fresh Start Customs, and today, as you can see, I'm coming to you in the office here. I've got my original Glowforge and a brand new table. A little bit of a backstory. My old table that I've been using with this Glowforge for the past 3 years just recently started to bow, and it got so bad to the point where the screws started to separate from the frame underneath. So I guess it was just time plus the weight over time is what caused that. It was just one of those cheap fold-out tables from like back in the 90s that was made out of wood and metal. So this one, it has an all-metal frame around the bottom. This one actually came out pretty good. I got it from Amazon. It's rated for 200 pounds, so I don't think this is going anywhere. And I've got it lined up to where it's on the one side where there's two actual feet underneath versus the middle of one long table, and this is the shorter table. So I think this one isn't going to go anywhere. Just want to let you guys know about this table here really quick, because this is probably the easiest table that you can get for a Glowforge. It fits literally perfect, actually width-wise here, and then length-wise you've got some extra room for extra stuff. As you can see behind me, I've got all of this past projects lined up here. And then it's literally just four little legs that go in. It has adjustable bottoms, but I would just tighten that up to make it more secure, obviously. But this thing is held together by literally 4 large screws. You just tighten it down. It actually has like a U-beam inside of each leg that it tightens into. So it's not going anywhere. I'm not sure if I already told you guys, but it is rated for 200 pounds. So with the Glowforge only being 80 pounds, this thing ain't going anywhere. Not sure if you can actually see the instructions, but it is literally the simplest thing ever. I wouldn't assemble it how they have it, where it just is showing to build the table standing up. What I did is I flipped it upside down, laid the table flat on the ground, and then you just put the 4 in there, 4 screws and a washer. That's it. Literally anybody could build this table. It took me 10 minutes to build. I actually ended up loving it so much that I bought 2 others. This one right here, that's why there's space on this side. There's a second one that's smaller. That's the 55-inch. This is the 63-inch. And the reason why I got one smaller is it just fit perfectly with the 2 on this entire wall. And then I got another one going that way on that wall, which is another 63-inch one. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to fill you guys on what was happening, why there's been a delay in some videos. I'll show you what the old one started to look like. It was in pretty rough condition. As you can see here, there's quite a bit of bow on this one. And then the metal frame actually popped out and started to pop the screws out. Luckily, no damage was done to the Glowforge. As you can see, it's on this table now. I've done some test prints. This works great. The only downside to this table here is, since it fits the Glowforge perfectly width-wise here, you have that 4-inch vent that's going to stick out. So you're going to have to pull it a little bit away from the wall just to get that curve in that goes into the window. If you're going to put it right in front of the window like I did, I prefer mine to be centered of the room with the window, but you can do that how you want. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up and a good source of a new table here. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys, if you are looking for a desk, I would recommend this one. I wouldn't use one of those older fold-out tables like I did from the 90s there. But that's pretty much it, you guys. We'll catch you guys next time.